Hi guys, today we're going to discuss the most recent issues about… No, Sammy, come on. So relaxing.
Susie, get ready.
Sammy, aren't you tired from that?
I am, but I don't have a special machine that produces bubbles.
That's no big deal. Let's go make it.
Woohoo!
Hi guys, it seems like we have an unexpected craft today.
Today, we're gonna meet little soap Pokemon. Yippee!
But first, of course, we should make them. Check out these soda cans.
Actually, Sue, I can make this craft all by myself.
Don't say that. You know I won't give up on a good craft. And this one is going to be so much fun. I'm sure about that.
Pika Pika, guys! You're about to see how a bunch of cute Pikachus produce soap bubbles.
Pokemon fans, check in by giving us a thumbs up. Sam gave me a scheme, so first we're going to cut out 2 circles.
To make a spinning stage for the bubble machine. Cool, huh? I can't wait to see the result.
We need 2 circles 20 centimeters in diameter. And whoop! What else, Sammy?
A cardboard piece to make a sidewall. Take it, Susie.
Okay, let's glue the wall to 1 circle like this.
How's it going, Sue? Do you need my help?
Nope, I'm making a support for the platform. Here it is. Now, a snowflake.
And that I already made, Susie. Take it.
No, a wooden snowflake. Little soap robots will push these levers to spin the stage.
Does this mean that our robots will walk?
Yep, and we'll start with legs. For one walking robot, we'll need a motor that will move the legs. We're also going to make the joints and carefully secure them with glue. Watch your hands, guys.
And repeat these steps from the other side. Easy peasy.
Look, guys, the projecting part should face the opposite directions. Check this out.
Sue always mentions some tiny details I could have missed. That's why we're a great team. Subscribe if you agree.
Best team ever. And you guys are also a part of our big family. This robot has extremely long legs, so we're gonna need 2 pairs of joints.
Uh-oh, I didn't know how they were gonna run on these. Ugh, it's exhausting. Ugh.
Sammy, give it to me. I said give it to me.
No, careful, Susan! Ah!
Now we can attach the legs. The uppercut is longer because the joint's gonna move.
Crafting without glue is like sky without blue. I'm telling you, it's true.
What a nice little poem, Sammy. You're so talented.
Great! Then I should record it and then publish it in my book. Would you read my book, Sue? And you? Of course, they would.
Guys, look at this. The second leg is just a copy of the first one.
It already looks pretty cool, Sue, but I still cannot believe that our robots will move and make bubbles.
You'll see that soon. Guys, stay tuned. We'll come back in a moment. These legs are ready and waiting for their robot owner.
Holy cannoli! I should call Pikachu then!
In the meantime, I'll connect all these wires. By the way, we're gonna have 6 robots.
And did you know that Pikachu is celebrating his 25th birthday this year? Woohoo!
Then it's a great time to binge watch the Pokemon series tonight.
Woo, Sue! You're the best!
But first, we should finish this craft. You pushed me to do this, so please help.
I'm helping, Sue. Here are cardboard straws for the robot's arms.
Guys, we'll hide wires inside the straw this way. And now we need to secure our straw with the hot glue. Press a little. Whoop.
It's easy, guys. Just watch, listen, and repeat. I'm rooting for ya.
Here's the second arm. We just need to glue the headband. Like a small finishing touch. Oh, I remember Pikachu wearing this band too.
A headband? Did you forget about more important details?
It's a good thing I have such a great helper like you. Let's glue the ears. Whoop. And the tail, of course. And now let's attach his hands to the lever. Could you do this, Sammy?
Sure. And you watch and learn, Sue.
Wow, guys, Sammy did a great job. Let's see what we have inside. Here's a thing called a dimmer. Basically, it's a simple power regulator.
It'll make the platform move by consuming these batteries' energy. So cool.
Sammy and I have crafted so many mechanisms, from a Coca-Cola train to a giant robot from popsicle sticks.
Vroom, vroom, guys. Subscribe to our channel channel to become pro crafters just like us. Yeah!
Why don't we check how everything works at this stage, huh? We'll turn the power on and... Wow, they're moving! Amazing!
Holy cannoli, they're alive! I can't believe my eyes!
But let's save the power for later and make one more robot.
We made him last year and named him Robo-Man. It looks like we could repeat that experience.
But this time we want him to dance and not just walk.
That sounds important. What changes are we making?
The major change is the placement of these little joints. They should face in the same direction.
And then the robot will dance like this. Boop, 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 or even better.
This skewer piece will help us to attach the legs. And here's the actual leg. There we go. Now let's secure it with a small wooden piece. Whoop.
And the glue, you always forget to mention it, Sue.
Sorry, you're totally right, Sammy. Glue is so important. Sammy, do you want to help me? We need a platform for our robot to dance on.
Sure thing. I'm on it.
You already know this part, guys. Secure this leg with wooden pieces. And make the second leg the same way. It's not that hard, huh?
Woo! Here I am with the best platform for the best dancer.
Thanks, Sammy. It looks perfect. Now we can attach it to the robot.
Whoa, Squirtle! That's a surprise.
Yep, I thought our Pikachus would like his company. We've attached these plastic foam pieces to the sides and dealt with the wires once again. Great!
I wonder what Sue is doing there. Wow, this looks so cool. Let me have a closer look. Oh, I'm dying to see his dance moves.
Oh, you should definitely teach him some moves, but let's take care of the lid first.
I will totally teach him step. Boop, 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 boop. Check this out. I'm so good.
Sammy, take off your dance shoes and get me the openings in this piece.
Openings? Leave it to a professional.
Guys, did you know that Pikachu was created in 1996 by a game designer? Oh, Sammy, what's going on?
Sue, look! I took care of our craft while you were talking.
Wow, Sammy, you did great. Let's check out the moves of our dancer then. Whoop. It works!
Bubble machine, Susie! Bubble machine!
I got it, Sam. I'm already dealing with it. We'll place this can right here and fill it with the soap solution.
That kind of reminds me of a craft Roger and I already made this spring.
But it doesn't mean that we can't recreate it in another way.
You're right. There is nothing new under the sun anyway.
This thing will work as a mill wheel, guys. Check out all these openings.
And if you've missed our RC car with the bubble machine, watch that video on our channel.
Watch closely, everybody. The small motor will start the whole bubble machine. We're gonna insert it right here.
It's good that you have me to supervise this craft. Here, take these, Sue. You're gonna need those.
Guys, these popsicle sticks will hold our mill. Let's use a glue gun. Always be careful working with the hot glue. Just a tiny bit of it.
Guys, don't forget that you can always ask an adult to help you with the craft.
Even though this fan is rather small, it'll help us make perfect bubbles.
What a great idea, Susan! If we use this, I will no longer need to blow all the bubbles by myself.
Here is the upper part of our craft, guys. It's high time to complete it. First, we'll glue our can right here. Now we'll place our mill-like construction right here like this. Whoop.
Wow, Susan, you're a real master. And you guys, if you are not greedy, give our Susie a ton of thumbs up.
And here we have a battery and one more dimmer. Craft magic will help us to connect both parts. And our craft is ready. Let's check it out in all its glory.
Okay, guys, you know what to do, right? Keep up the pace, and don't you fail me! Listen to the music and shake your body like it's the last time!
Sammy, you're a strict trainer. I feel a bit intimidated. Here we go with the soap solution.
Oh, please, I just want to test this craft before I grow old. Turn it on!
Let's start with the bubble machine and our first dimmer.
Wow, Sue, it's so cool! We have bubbles now! Sue, turn the dancer on!
Now let's set the whole craft in motion. Here we go. Yay, so cool, guys! Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye!